Ready to turn your workout into a dance party? Get ready to sweat, groove, and burn those calories while having an absolute blast. Trust me, you won't want to miss a single move, so stay with me till the end. You're going to love every second of it. Let's start off by warming up. Just a few simple moves to get your muscles ready and your blood pumping. We'll begin with some light side steps to get your legs moving, and add some arm circles to loosen up the upper body. As we build momentum, we'll gradually increase the intensity so you're ready to move. Now let's jump right into the first set of moves, a fun hip-hop combo. We're going to start with a basic step touch, and we'll layer in a little bounce. As you get comfortable with the footwork, we'll add some arm swings to really engage the upper body. Don't worry if you feel a little off balance at first. It's all about moving to the beat and getting into the groove. From there, we'll introduce a body roll that will stretch and tone your core muscles. Remember to keep your core tight as we move through these fluid motions, and let your body follow the music. Next, let's spice things up with a mix of Latin-inspired dance moves. Think of a combination of salsa, reggaeton, and a bit of merengue. We're going to focus on quick footwork, side steps, and hips that sway with each beat. As we step it up, we'll add some spins to get that heart rate going. These moves will target your legs and glutes, while also giving your arms a nice workout. Keep that energy up as we move from one move to another. This is all about flow, rhythm, and building strength in those lower body muscles. Now let's push it a bit further. We're going to move into a high-energy pop routine, perfect for burning fat. The moves will be sharp and quick. Think jumping jacks, crossbody kicks, and fast footwork. You'll be feeling the burn in your thighs, glutes, and core as we mix in some jumping squats and lunges to really engage those leg muscles. Don't worry if you need to take a breather. Just jump back in when you're ready. The goal here is to get that heart rate up and make sure you're sweating it out. Keep pushing through, and remember, it's all about keeping up with the rhythm and staying in the moment. As we head towards the final part of the workout, we'll slow it down with a few cool-down movements. Keep your movements fluid and stretch your arms, legs, and back to bring your heart rate down gradually. We'll finish with some gentle dance steps to keep the body moving and release any tension built up during the workout. Take a deep breath and enjoy the feeling of accomplishment as we wind things down. Fantastic job! You crushed that routine, and now your body is feeling stronger, more toned, and full of energy. If you enjoyed this workout and want to keep the party going, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more dance fitness fun. Keep dancing, stay motivated, and I'll see you in the next workout. Let's keep moving, and remember, fitness can always be fun. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips on improving your productivity and lifestyle. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.